Welcome to Short Planetary Geological Essays, narrated by Daniel Hutchinson. Jupiter's moon Callisto. Up to this point so far in my planetary geology essays, I have covered the geology of two moons in the outer part of the solar system, which are Io and Mimas. The next moon in the outer solar system on my favorites list is Jupiter's moon Callisto. Callisto is a moon that is a good candidate for human colonization at some point in the future. The reason for this is because apart from the other three large moons that orbit around Jupiter, Callisto has a low radiation exposure from Jupiter. Callisto's beginnings are in the formation of a disk of materials left over from Jupiter's formation. Callisto orbits about 1,170,000 miles from Jupiter, and it takes about 17 Earth days for Callisto to complete one orbit of Jupiter. Callisto is tidally locked with Jupiter, which means that the same side of Callisto is always facing Jupiter. Callisto's thin atmosphere is composed of carbon dioxide, traces of oxygen, and hydrogen. Callisto is composed of a mixture of rock and ice, covered by craters of various shapes and sizes, including bowl-shaped craters and craters with multiple rings. Callisto's rock and ice surface is the oldest and most heavily cratered in our solar system. Being pummeled by comets and asteroids, the surface age has been dated at 4 billion years old, putting it at a time of the very beginnings of our solar system. Because the comet and asteroid impact craters are still visible, indicates the moon has little to no geological activity. The bright white dots that cover Callisto's entire surface are the peaks of impact craters capped with water ice. Further down past Callisto's ice and rock surface is its lithosphere, with between 50 to 93 miles in thickness. The possibility for life could exist within Callisto's deep interior. Data gathered by the Galileo space probe sent to Jupiter and its moons, and from computer models created by scientists, indicate Callisto may have had a salty ocean. Millions of years into the future, the Sun will expand into a red giant. This will warm up Callisto and the other moons in the Jupiter system. Maybe then, by some chance, life may arise on Callisto's surface.